Hey, everybody, and welcome back to the Deep Dive. We've been getting a ton of questions from you about a really hot topic,
Yeah, seems like everybody wants to know about this.
and that is how to sell your house quickly and painlessly. So that's what we're diving into today, selling your home for cash.
Right.
Specifically with Sell That House to Me.
Yeah.
We're going to be focusing on the Melissa, Texas real estate market. So if you're in a situation and you need to sell your house fast for any reason at all,
This one's for you.
this deep dive is for you. And real, even if you're just curious about a more straightforward, easy way to sell your home,
Definitely.
head on over to sellthathouse2me.com.
That's right.
You can get a fast and fair cash offer today.
Absolutely. And we've actually gathered a lot of information about how Sell That House to Me works,
Yeah.
particularly for homeowners in Melissa and all the areas around there. Selling a house can be a real headache.
Oh, yeah.
There's so many things you got to think about.
Yeah, it can be a real pain,
And we're here to show you a different way to do it.
a better way to do it.
Mm-hmm.
So to start off, Sell That House to Me is a national company.
That's right.
And basically, we buy houses directly from homeowners
All over the U.S.
all across the country. And what sets us apart is that we make the whole process so easy and stress-free. We try to give you really competitive cash offers based on your property's condition as is.
Yeah, as is.
And we can close really fast, sometimes in less than 10 days.
Wow. Less than 10 days.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
And this really benefits homeowners in so many ways. Think about it. The old traditional way to sell your house.
Oh, don't get me started.
You have to spend so much time and money getting it ready for the market,
Repairs.
renovations,
Ugh.
and then you list it, and then you have to wait for the right buyer to come along, and then you have to show your house over and over again.
Weekend after weekend.
Yeah, deal with the financing and all that. It can just drag on forever.
Forever and ever.
With Sell That House to Me, all of that goes away. We take all the hassle out of selling your home.
Gone. Poof.
And the cool thing is that we help people out of all kinds of situations. Maybe you're facing foreclosure,
Oh, that's tough.
or you're going through a really difficult divorce, or you have to move for a new job,
Yeah.
or maybe you've inherited a property and it's just a burden you need to get rid of. Whatever the reason is, we can step in and help. We can be a real lifesaver.
Absolutely. A fresh start.
So now let's zero in on Melissa, Texas.
Okay.
This is a really great place.
It is.
And this is where Sell That House to Me is actively buying houses right now. Melissa is in Collin County,
Got it.
and it's got a really rich history. It goes all the way back to the 1850s.
Wow.
And when the railroad came through, that's what really put Melissa on the map. These days, people know it as this really charming, cozy suburb.
Yeah.
It's not too far from McKinney.
Yeah, I know it. It's nice.
It's beautiful. And what I think is the best part is that they've got the Melissa Independent School District,
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
which is amazing, really top rated.
Yeah, families love that.
So it's no surprise that a lot of families are moving there. And what's great for homeowners in Melissa is that all of this makes it a really, really strong real estate market.
Yeah.
So if you're a homeowner and you need to sell your house quickly and you need some cash, this is the place to be.
Yeah, it's hot right now.
It really is.
Yeah.
So if you look at the numbers from early 2025, the average price of a home in Melissa is about $425,000. And homes are usually on the market for 40 to 55 days. It's not a super long time.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
It's pretty quick.
Yeah.
And like we said, the market's really hot right now. The schools are great. People are moving in. But, even in a market like this, listings can still sit there for a while before they sell. And what if you can't wait that long? What if you need to sell your house faster?
Yeah, what if you have to move right away?
Exactly. And what if you just don't have the time or the money to do all those repairs and make all those updates that a normal buyer would expect? That's where Sell That House to Me comes in. We can help you out.
Make it easy.
And we're talking about real neighborhoods here in Melissa, places
Yeah.
like Liberty,
Okay.
Country Ridge,
Sure.
Hunters Ridge.
Yeah.
We are part of this community. We know this area.
Absolutely.
We're not some faceless corporation. We know where Zaddo Park is. We know where the Melissa Public Library is.
We go there.
We get it.
Yeah, we understand the local market here.
Yeah. So how does this all work?
So the first thing we do is we come out and take a look at your property.
Okay.
It's a quick appraisal. We can either visit your house in person or you can tell us all about it over the phone.
Okay.
And we take that information and we figure out how much your property is worth based on its condition and what's happening in the Melissa market right now.
All right. So you look at it, and then what's next?
Then we give you a cash offer, no strings attached.
Nice.
It's based on everything we've learned about your house and what similar homes are selling for in Melissa.
Yeah.
And the best part is You don't have to haggle with us.
No back and forth.
No back and forth.
Love it.
It's a simple offer.
Straightforward. Nice.
Take it or leave it, and if you decide to accept it,
Okay.
closing is super easy and super fast.
Yeah.
Because we're paying you in cash. There's no waiting for loan approvals.
Okay.
You know how those can get all messed up sometimes?
Oh, yeah.
So we can get the cash to you really quickly, and we handle all the paperwork. We take care of everything.
Wow, so easy.
Our goal is to make this whole thing really, really smooth for you. No stress, personal attention. And we understand that sometimes you just need to sell your house fast. And getting a guaranteed sale is more important than maybe squeezing out a little bit more money on the open market. You know, it's a trade-off, but it's the right choice for a lot of people, especially when you're dealing with a tough situation.
That makes a lot of sense. And,
Yeah.
I think it's important to point out that Sell That House to Me doesn't just work in Melissa.
No.
We cover other areas, too.
Yeah, we're all over the place.
We're in nearby communities as well, like McKinney.
Okay.
Have you been there?
I have. It's so lovely. It's gorgeous. It's got so much historic charm. And Anna, which is really growing like crazy right now.
Yeah, I heard it's booming.
Super up and coming, a lot of new stuff happening there. And Princeton, also expanding really fast.
A lot of opportunities in Princeton.
So if you're in any of these areas
Yeah.
and you're looking for a cash offer, give us a call.
Yeah, reach out.
We're here to help.
And that's not all. We also cover Weston, Blue Ridge, New Hope,
Oh,
Van Alstyne.
so many places.
We're basically all over this whole region. Same deal everywhere. We want to help homeowners sell their houses fast and get cash in their pockets.
So I'm just going to say it again.
Go for it.
If this sounds like something you might be interested in, if you're in Melissa or any of those nearby areas that we've been talking about,
Okay.
head over to sellthathouse2me.com.
You got it.
You can get your fast, fair cash offer right away.
Right now.
It's so easy. We're here to help. You know what I love about doing this job
What's that?
is hearing from people that we've helped.
Oh, the stories.
It's so inspiring. We've talked to so many sellers who chose Sell That House to Me, and they always tell us how much they appreciate the experience.
It really makes you feel good.
It does. We heard from Jenny Kay.
Okay.
Remember her?
I do. I do.
She lived in the Liberty neighborhood,
Okay.
and she had to relocate for a new job.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
And she was telling us how grateful she was that we were able to give her a fast offer and close so quickly. It made her move so much smoother.
It took a weight off her shoulders.
For sure. And then there's David S.
David, yeah.
He had a rental property over in Hunter's Ridge.
Oh, yeah.
It needed some work,
Uh-oh.
and he just wasn't up for doing it. He had
No.
too much going on. So we bought the property as is, and he got his cash really, really quickly. It was such a relief for him,
Yeah, it really helped him out.
big time. And then we helped Amy W.
Amy. Okay.
Remember Amy? She inherited a house near Zaddo Park when her parents passed away. And she was so grateful for our cash offer. It helped her settle the estate so much faster, and it was just way less complicated than trying to sell it the traditional way.
It made a tough time a little bit easier.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can see how a fast cash sale can really help in all kinds of situations. You know, people ask us a lot of questions about selling their houses for cash, so let's answer a few of those right now.
Yeah, good idea.
So how quickly can I actually sell my Melissa home?
Okay, good question. Typically, we can get you a cash offer in 24 hours.
24 hours. That's awesome.
Yeah, and we can close in as little as 7 days.
7 days. Wow.
So fast.
That is amazing.
Fast and easy.
So fast. Okay. So another question we get a lot is, will I get a good price for my home?
Yeah, that's a big one. And our offers are designed to be really fair based on what's happening in the market in Melissa right now. But you got to remember, we're offering you speed and convenience. We're taking away all the hassle. So it's a win-win, right? You get your cash fast, and we get a property we can work with.
And what about repairs?
Oh, the repairs.
A lot of people worry about that. You know, they're thinking, oh, my house needs a new roof.
Or my bathroom's a disaster.
Yeah, or the kitchen's falling apart.
Yeah.
Do I have to fix all that stuff?
Nope.
The answer is no.
Absolutely not. We buy houses as is.
As is.
So even if your house in Hunter's Ridge needs a ton of work, you can still get a cash offer from us.
That is so great. What if I'm facing foreclosure?
Okay.
That's a scary situation.
Yeah, absolutely. But Sell That House to Me can help.
We can step in and prevent you from losing your home. We can give you that cash you need to get back on your feet.
Avoid that financial disaster.
It's so stressful.
And what if you've inherited a property?
Oh, yeah?
You know, maybe it's an older house near Zaddo Park. We can help you sell it fast.
Without any of the headaches.
No fuss, no muss.
And let's not forget about divorce. It's a fact of life, unfortunately.
Hmm.
Sometimes you need to sell your house fast because of a divorce. And we can help you do that. We can get you that cash in your pocket so you can move on with your life. No drama.
Yeah, it's a fresh start.
It is. And what if you're moving away?
Oh, yeah, a lot of people are relocating.
Maybe you're going to McKinney for a new job.
Yeah, or to be closer to family.
We can buy your house before you even move. We can make this whole process fit your schedule.
Yeah, we're flexible.
We're here for you. So you can see, we try to really help people with their individual needs, whatever situation you're in.
We get it.
So if you're in Melissa or any of those other areas we've talked about,
Okay.
and you're looking for a fast, no-hassle way to sell your property,
Yeah.
remember, sellthathouse-to-me.com.
Get that cash offer.
No obligation at all. We're here to help.
Absolutely. So as we're wrapping up this deep dive, let's go over the main reasons why you might want to work with Weakmoses. Sell that house to me.
Okay.
What's the big picture here?
Well, it's all about speed and convenience, right?
Mhm.
We give you a fair cash offer based on what your home is really worth in the current market. And we buy your house as is. No need to fix anything.
Yeah.
And we've worked with so many people in different situations. We can handle anything. We can get you that cash quickly.
Yeah, we've seen it all.
So if you're a homeowner in Melissa, Texas,
Okay.
or any of those areas around it that we talked about,
Yep.
and you need to sell your house fast,
Yeah, you're in a bind.
we can help.
Sell that house to me is a great solution. We're local, we understand the market,
We're here for you.
and we want to help you move on with your life.
So if you're ready to get a fair, fast cash offer for your home,
Take that first step.
don't wait. Head on over to sellthathouse-to-me.com right now. It could be the best decision you make. We make it so easy, and you don't have to worry about a thing.
Stress-free.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.